Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I will show you how to change screen zoom in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down a bit, then go to display and then go to screen zoom option. Now from here you can change your screen zoom. Here at the bottom you can see a slider. From here you can zoom in or zoom out your screen. Here you can see 5 levels of screen zoom and you can set any level as you want. And now you can see it's changed successfully. Now if you cannot find this option here, just go back and then scroll down. Then go to accessibility. From here go to vision enhancements. From here scroll down again and here you can also find your screen zoom option. You can also zoom in or zoom out your screen from here. And that is how you can change screen zoom in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.